Hey, what's good, man? This is your boy Tick, aka Game Fanatic, the Michael Jordan Gaming, and we're back with the update 2, day 2 of the hernia recovery. So, it's not that bad again. Still not that bad. So, just like yesterday, I'm still not feeling too much pain. The only pain I get is when I get in and out of bed, get up from a chair, or walk around. Walking around is still slightly a struggle. There is some pain there. Today, though, I guess people were right. There's a bitsy bit more pain, but still not anything unbearable. The reason is because the area where the incision was done and stuff is now swelled up. So it's swelling, obviously. That's what happens when you get surgery. Things will swell up in the inside of you. Because fighting off infections, things like that. So it has swelled up a little bit. So only thing I have to keep an eye on is where the incision is. I have to make sure it's not leaking any green fluids. It was leaking a little bit of blood and I guess a slight bit of glue this morning. That could have been from tons of things, from me sleeping and probably moving around, or when I went to the bathroom, because going to the bathroom is tough. Definitely tough. Okay, so like I said, you need laxatives. Gotta have it. On top of that, though, it's hard to wipe. It's hard to wipe. It hurt. It hurt trying to reach around. It hurt. That sounds weird. Yeah, it's tough to go to the bathroom. I almost didn't want to go again, but I had to take more laxatives because you have to use the bathroom. You got to. So that's one thing I ran into today. But other than that, still not having a lot of pain. Still going on strong right now. I'm thinking on the next video, I should probably just record multiple days all the way till I heal, and then just put it in a compilation and make one video of it, so you don't have to watch like multiple videos. This is supposed to be a gaming channel, so I do have some gaming stuff. I want to upload some more fun gameplays. I'm doing it different though. It's not going to be just me recording the gameplay with my homeboy. This one's actually going to be me with a webcam on and doing like a live video and stuff like that. So be on the lookout for that, as well as wait for that Call of Duty Black Ops 4 beta to pop up on the PC. I had it on the PlayStation. I was planning on that on the PlayStation, the beta, but I didn't want to record it because I want to play with HDR, and my capture card is a HD60. Does not support HDR, so I wouldn't be able to play at a higher resolution, and I wouldn't be able to use HDR. So I said, forget it. I'll wait to the PC version, and I get some stuff on that. But be on the lookout for that once that drops on the PC open beta. But for the most part, it's definitely going to be fun, because that's the game we're playing the most of, and that's the one I enjoy the most. But again, not feeling any pain at this moment. Right now, I'm at a 0 sitting down. Again, the only time I typically feel pain is when I am moving from shifting from getting up from bed, sitting, or walking around. If I'm walking around, there's some weight that, weight bears down on the incision area, and it does kind of hurt a little bit, but not like I'm dying, rolling on the floor in pain type of, pain. So that's all, man. I just wanted to give you guys a short update on the surgery. So again, if you are someone that has to get hernia surgery, now I can't speak for inaugural hernias or anything of that nature, because I think those are on different sides and bigger. Again, I had the umbilical hernia, which is the one right at the belly button. And I had to get the mesh surgery, so I can't speak for all those other hernias. I don't know what specific operation I got. I don't know if it was laparoscopic or whatever it's called, laparoscopic, or all I know is they cut my joint open. It's like a little smiley face under my belly button, and that's where they cut open, and they went inside, repaired, put a little small piece of mesh there, and then glued me back up. So that's whatever one that is, that's the one I got. Anyway, it's your boy Tick, aka Game Fanatic, the Michael Jordan Gaming, and I'll be hollering at y'all later with some gaming videos. And I'm gone. Bye.